So in terms of what that might look like using a climate survey, often people will say that a climate survey on its own isn't necessarily a risk assessment tool, which is true. Notwithstanding that, depending on the nature of the design of the climate survey, you can use different components within that to support a risk assessment. So if we use the concept of hazard ID, inputs could be achieved through survey, observations, or any other sort of review of the workplace. As you start thinking around likelihood and consequence, again, have a think about the job demands and job resources, any sort of mismatch there, and what that means around potential likelihood and exposure. In terms of the outcomes, have a think about various outcomes and consequences, with the view you're looking at hopefully the potential consequence and focusing on proactive activities as it relates to potential outcomes around pain, engagement, burnout, sleep, etc. And then somehow applying a risk management framework to come up with some effective controls. So again, not telling people how to apply basic risk management principles, but in a psychosocial framework, there are some things to think about in terms of the various psychosocial factors that need to be considered when you are looking at the likelihood and consequence.